That is good in math?
Yeah.
How about mommy?
Mommy sometimes
It's okay.
she's sometimes beautiful.
Sometimes beautiful!
Yeah.
Like Adam.
You know sometimes mommy only break up with daddy.
Hoy! Gasolina. I'm scared of no gasolina.
More calm. Black beef.
Cheers, guys. Butong o busog?
Gutom.
Gutom. I'm busog.
She's the best chef, which
Oh.
she never should.
If I'm best chef, kiss me. My best friend. Do you love me?
Yes. She
Not too much closer.
is actually not the best chef.
Lahat tingnan bata nag-asking na sila.
She's good, but she's not the best chef.
You like mommy? You love me?
Yeah, because you're my mom.
Can you kiss me if you love me? Show to the guys.
Then Miss Stevens are gonna look at it.
Kiss ka sa maybe? This is my, yeah, just wait. This is my eldest brother, eldest son. Just wait. Daddy is a good daddy.
Yeah, and he's a very good engineer.
Engineer.
He can also fix my bike even though when it's broken.
Daddy is good in math.
Yeah.
How about mommy?
Mom's a very good cook. Mom's a very good cooker, and she sometimes
What? Tell the truth. It's okay.
she's sometimes beautiful.
Sometimes beautiful.
Yeah, boy.
I'm not everyday beautiful.
I mean, she's always beautiful.
So yun, nilagyan ko, konti lang talaga is na nag-iibaw. Ito na ilagay na natin muna sa ref para malambot siya at masarap.
Isang simpleng nanay dito sa Australia. May 4 na anak, pamilya ang saya. Hindi man perpekto ang buhay na dala, basta't magkakasama, sapat na ang saya. May asawang mahal na laging karamay, sa hirap at ginhawa sabay naming alay. Araw-araw nagsisikap bilang isang Australia, patuloy na lalaban, herin asa.
Hinihingal ako mga mamshi. Sinong relate dyan? Pag nag-change kayo nag-arrange kayo ng beddings, hindi ako mag-change ng bedsheet kasi bago lang naman to. Ito yung ginagawa ko guys pag
Why go, Daddy?
I'm tired.
a mess.
There's a little boy here. Why is it mess daw?
a mess?
I'm tired. I'm just resting. Kayo din ba mga mamshi? Tingnan yung bilbil. Kayo din ba mga mamshi? Ganito yung ginagawa nyo pag nagtawag nito, nag-arrange kayo ng bedsheet.
Let's read down there.
Saglit, wait lang guys. Yan, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo lahat ng final na nilinis natin yung room. So for now, mag-shower muna ako guys. Baka ako yung kukuha sa mga bata, magpipick up. Sana si Mr. mag-pick up, pagod ako eh. Yan, dyan lang muna kayo ha. Mamaya, samahan niyo ako mamaya. Hindi ko na kayo sasama doon sa tawag noon sa toilet, shower. Makikita yung sexy ng ating pare. Char. Ayan. Kapagod guys. Mamaya na. Diyan lang kayo. Diyan lang kayo ha. Stay there. So ayan, Kabem Fam. Nandyan pa ba kayo? So ayan. So update, pupunta tayo ngayon sa mga bata. Today is my pick up time sa mga kids. So mamaya pa naman 3 o'clock. inagahan ko lang kasi ang hirap mag-parking. So, ayan. So, hindi na ako mag-vlog guys nating car. Diyan lang kayo ha. Mamaya update ko kayo mamaya. So, hindi... Tama na. So, andito na yung mga student guys. Dito na pala tayo. So, ayan. Dito na tayo guys. Hindi na ako nag-update kanina kasi busy. Say hi to my vlog guys.
Hello, do you want to welcome to Darius?
Guys, please hi. Darius, Ada, Mike.
Hi.
So, ayan. Dito na kami guys. Saglit lang ha. Thank you. So, ayan. Dito na tayo. Salamat sa pagsama. Andyan pa ba kayo, Kabemfam? So, andito na tayo sa bahay. Park muna natin to guys. Ay, no. Da?
But the weather is not better than this.
No aircon, no? Yeah. Kasi itong dinala natin guys, hindi aircon. Kasi yung isang sasakyan natin.
I'll get to bring your boss.
Yeah, thank you. Lagay ko muna tong red bin. Saglit. Yan. The other one, Lucas ha? One for Lucas. Bacha Jaja, give that one. One for Lucas. Ay, yun, bumili kasi yung nila. Bacha and Jaja or grandpa o lolo o lola ng sushi. Yung mga bata mahilig sa sushi. Mahilig din kami sa sushi. Yan, nilagay na itong yung red. Hindi ko napaknapa ako magsampay ng mga damit, ng mga towels. Tapos kukunin natin yung kanina, yung sinampay natin. Saglit lang. Hi, Bemfam! Update! So ngayon lang ay, nice eh. Ngayon lang tayo nakapag-update kasi yun nga, natulog tayo sa itaas sa room. Si Lucas, andun pa sa taas, is already 9 o'clock. Ay! Kanoisip ba guys? Ay, pasensya, narinig niyo ba ako guys? Kaya may gamit tayong ganito. Dito kasi yung mga kids. So ito yung... Guys! Stop! Sorry guys. So yan, ito yung pinag-marinate natin kanina. Maganda sana to 24 hours o kahit 12 hours lang. Ayan. So yung dinner namin today, it's already 9 o'clock na guys, late pero okay lang kasi weekend naman. So, ang bango talaga pag may kalamansi. Ayan. So yung dinner natin today is guys, beef na sabaw. Tapos yung pork na minarinate natin kanina sa kalamansi. Bango ng kalamansi guys. Ayan. So yan, luto muna tayo guys. Saglit lang. So ito yung ginagamit nating barbecue guys. Electric yan. Boy. I'm scared of gasolina.
The thing with the wall just continues.
Yeah. We are here now. Good morning. Nasanay ako sa good morning. Good evening na pala, 7 o'clock. So late vlog tayo ngayon kasi kailangan ko ito i-vlog mga kabempan. Good evening. So today, oh my God, napaka-special ng araw namin today. Kasi, guess what? Where are we going? With my husband. Kami lang dito guys. Mag-date muna kami.
Quick date. Get out, how the kid go?
Sinong relate dyan? Who's the one who relate to all the parents that we need to be quick date? The maximum our date, Daddy, how many hours?
1.
Lucky if you have 1 hour. So today guys, me and my husband are going today to the pub. We're having a date dinner. So ayan, Napaka-special. It's been long time. We're not doing a date, Daddy. How many months na? Yeah, it's been long time, guys. Hindi kami nakapag-date. Unlike sa Pinas, mostly everyday talaga kami nagde-date. So ayan, samahan niyo kami ha. Diyan lang kayo, sama kayo sa aming date. Kayo guys, may ka-date ba kayo? So minsan kasi we need a time, you know, need to out for the kids. There's a time that we need to, you know, date. So yan. So we need to have a quality time with our husband, with your wife. Yun nga guys. So yan, mamaya na naman gabi ang fam. So sama kayo ha sa aming date tonight. So we will see kung ano yung kakainin natin today. Malapit lang naman dito, nasa ano lang, 10 minutes din no?
Huh?
10 minutes only here. Dito no?
Only 10 minutes.
Diba? Our date.
Just up the road there.
Dito lang pala guys. Ayan.
Parking here.
Yeah, dito lang kami. Yan,
Cannot drive for 1 hour because that's already
oh, look, may scooter na guys. Mahal na kasi yung
Oh, the guy.
gasolina.
Yeah, he's gonna get in trouble.
Yan guys, Bankstown. RSN. Yan, ano din, maganda din dyan guys. Bankstown. Yan o. Ano din yan, pub. May ano dan, eat all you can, 30 bucks. Per,
More now.
more, 30. We say 40. Ayan. So, dito na kami sa, mag-park muna si Mr. guys. Saglit lang. Is malapit lang talaga dito. Nasa 10 minutes. We are here guys. Samahan niyo kami mag-date ha.
Relaxing a bit, no?
Thank you for dating me.
More calm.
Date muna kami guys. And then, cheers.
Only for a sip.
What is that? Is a Coke?
Black tea.
Cheers guys.
This is a dark beer. You wanna try it?
Later.
It'll be gone later.
Let's try. Try natin guys.
Which one you like better?
This one. Ang ganda na ang ambience namin guys. I will show you. We're waiting also for the food. Yan. So yan, ganda na aming ambience ha. Ay, napaka-fancy. So, waiting for our food. Our number is
Very soon.
36. Sarap. Sarap talaga na guys. Nice feeling when you having date. No kids. Si Lucas guys, umiyak. Kasi after naman dito, bibigyan natin sila ng Happy Meal.
Look, so I just want to go somewhere.
Yeah, he used to. Adam, Darius, and Mickey, it's okay. Mamaya na guys ha, mag-date muna kami ni aking mister.
Go closer.
Yan guys, we're excited. My husband, food, we are saying, how much this one? 22?
22.
22. Okay, eat.
Kain.
Kain na guys. Thank you, Daddy.
Try dip like this.
What? This one?
Yeah. Just try like that. No sauce.
No sauce?
No. Do you know what I mean?
Dip oil.
It's mostly fried.
Okay.
You belong with us worldwide.
Yeah, I do. PW97.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks. This was the first McDonald's in Australia before, and then they
All
stopped
Australia?
it. I think so.
New South Wales
I
lang.
think so. Check, but then they closed it, and now they reopen again. New one.
So ayan, tapos na kami ni Mr. na date. So andito kami sa Makers. Ayan. Kasi yung mga bata, hindi na tayo magluluto ngayon. Yung mga bata dun sa bahay, gusto nila ng Happy Meal. Ayan. Waiting for our order, guys. So ito palang Makis, guys, dito. Ito yung pinaka-unang McDonald's dito sa all Australia. Sabi ni Mr.
I think so. Are they on New South Wales?
Sabi niya, ito.
Look. Hey Google,
Google.
where was the first McDonald's in Australia? That one.
Ah, Yaguna. This is Yaguna?
This is like still Yaguna.
Ito pala yung pinakaunang unang Makis, guys, in all Australia. Yaguna. Ito yung pioneering pala, guys.
It's like when you see Jollibee coming to wherever Blacktown.
Oh,
Campbelltown.
yeah. Speaking of Jollibee, guys, this coming, I don't know when, basta this coming daw. Coming. Always lang coming.
This
But
year.
this year, we stay in Sydney. Ay, we're going, guys.
You pay?
My husband. My husband pay. I have no money. If I have a money in my YouTube, please subscribe na, guys. Oy. New channel natin is BEMFAM kasi yung Pinay Mom in Australia, na ano ako doon, guys. Malaking issue doon. So yan, yun nga, may maano na number, tawag nito? Jollibee. Yan yung hintayin natin. Jollibee. Sydney. Ang kagandahan dito sa Sydney kasi mostly mga big business people always Sydney. Either Sydney or Melbourne. Yeah. But number one is Sydney. Malaki kasi yung Sydney. Why is it not in Canberra? Canberra is the capital city.
The problem with Canberra is you can't own land in Canberra.
Okay.
Basically, if you sort of like buy land in Canberra, it's a lease.
Okay. Happy meal for the kids.
This one, yeah?
Ay, diyan pa rin drinks.
Yeah, I think.
Put na lang So ayan, uwi na tayo bahay, guys. Samahan nyo kami, uwi na tayo kasi mga bata, guys, naghihintay na sila. Oh my God!
Yeah, exactly.
Bahay na tayo ka, Bemfa. Hungry na sila, guys. Okay, we buy chicken feet. Chicken feet. Uy, Rusty! Oh my God! Nabuang naman si Rusty.
Did you get my medicine? No.
Hala, wait. Bahay na tayo. Excited na sila, guys. Excited. Oh, what do you want to see to daddy?
Mommy.
What does mom do?
Yeah.
I'm holding. Yeah. Adam, what do you want to say? What do you want to say to daddy?
Thank you, Dad.
Okay.
You study? You study?
Yeah.
You read?
Tired.
Here's a big mic if you want.
Gutom na sila, guys.
Jurassic World. Yay. Bye, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Hungry?
Yeah.
You get that?
Oh my God, come on.
Hungry na, guys? Gutom?
Oh, yeah.
Gutom?
Yeah.
Gutom o busog?
Yeah. It's better.
Gutom o busog? Gutom. Lucas, gutom o busog?
Gutom.
Gutom.
Oh.
Mickey, gutom?
What's busog?
Full.
Gutom.
Adam, gutom, busog?
Gutom.
I'm busog. Me and my husband, guys, busog. Ang mga bata, gutom. Ang si Rusty? About Rusty? Ay! Yun na naman si Rusty. Hungry na si Rusty, saglit. Pakainin mo natin si Rusty. Good morning everybody. So kumusta yung morning natin, Lassie? So ayan, papakita ko sa inyo, ganito yung kinukuha nila yung mga rubbish or garbage dito, guys, in Australia. Comment daw kayo below kung ganito din yung pagkuha ng style diyan sa New Zealand, US. Sa Philippines kasi hindi ganito, 'di ba, manual. So dito sa sa amin, dito sa street namin, sa board namin, siya guys, every Thursday nilalabas na yung mga rubbish. Friday ng morning, ayan, kinukuha na. So iba yung kumuha ng yellow, iba din yung red. So yung yellow, every alternate siya, yellow or green. So ito, andito na siya, narinig niyo na? Ayan, dito na siya guys. Dito na. I'll show you. Dusty! Dusty! Ala, ang yelo. Dusty! So yan, di ba? So mamaya iba naman yung kukuha sa red. Rusty, kunin natin yung yellow kasi tawag nito, may airplane na naman guys. Oh. Kunin natin yung yellow. Yung nga sabi ko, pag yellow, alternate siya. Next week, na naman, green. Rusty, no, I will get the yellow bin. Oh my God, Jesus. Ang good ng ating morning. Ngayon, meron na tayong problema guys. Ayan. Ay, hindi ko alam kung masosolve natin to. Kasi maya-maya, andito na yung mister ko. May nakita kasi si mister na tawag nito dito sa house. Hindi ko alam kung paano to i-wipe out guys. Comment nga kayo. Ayan, yung bata kasi si Lucas kahapon. Ayan. Kita nyo ba yan guys? May texture dyan. Hindi lang yan ganyan, marami. Lahat dito, yan ginawa ko na. May water na dito. At least dito nakuha na siya guys. Marami guys, hindi ko alam. Patay ako nito sa aking mister. Galit na galit pa naman yung husband ko guys. Of course, ako yung may responsible nito kasi ako yung nagbabantay sa bata. Meron pa talaga dito, oh my God. Yan guys, oh. Comment nga kayo kung paano to siya wipe out guys. Ayan, oh. Meron pa dito. Hindi lang 2, 3, 4. Yan, oh. Oh my God. Lucas, why is it you do like this? You make me trouble. I'm the one who look up to you. Daddy will be upset to me. Not upset to you. To me, guys. Because I'm the one that responsible for this. I was editing yesterday and then it happened like this. And this morning, we found out like this. Ay, samahan nyo ako ha. Cross fingers, sana mawala na to guys. Para hindi mawala, para mawala na yung galit ni Mr. Saglit lang. Diyan lang kayo ha. Samahan nyo ako guys. Saglit. Ayan, napaliguan ko na si Lucas guys after Lucas what he did, but he said to me I will give him a chance. So I gave him a chance and next time he will not do it again. Okay? Promise?
Yeah.
Promise?
Yeah.
Sorry if I smack you, huh? Don't do that one, huh? If you want to write, just tell me. I will give you any time. Because he wants me to write, guys. So I told him, you need ask mommy. I can give him, no guys, I can give him a cloth. Oh guys, oh handsome na guys. Wait guys, wait. I will, should talk to the guys.
Get my shoes.
Good morning sa the guys. Good morning, mag-vlog biya ka.
Morning.
Ask them, how's your morning guys?
It's good. Tell you, Mom. Tell my mom. Then I wipe the wall.
Next time, no more na, no more, okay? Look guys, I will brush his hair so that after this one, I will show you how handsome white guys. Wait. Are you ready guys? 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, sorry! Handsome guys, huh? Go outside, babe. Outside. Oh, don't put that on because you're a baby. You're a big fella, guys. So handsome na, guys.
You want to show my guy? Guys, I know my back.
Mas wet.
Anyway.
I want to show you guys. He knows now how to pedal before he's pushing. And now he knows now how to pedal, guys. Look. No space there. Later na kay daddy's busy. So ito yung update ko kayo kung ano na nangyari doon sa ginawa ni Lucas. Ay, kakatapos ko lang pinaliguan si Lucas. At least guys, ayan oh. Nilagyan niya ng color. Ayan ta. Lucky. Thank you, Lord. Oh, thank you, God. Kaya tayo mga mami, this is our responsible. We are very responsible to look after our kids. Even though we asking them, how are you going? But make sure we will check. Lalo na busy tayo mga mami, di ba? Yan, okay na. Ha? Yes. So yun nga, dito din. Yan, tingnan nyo. Traste, come on. Traste, no. Don't out that one. Yan, okay na siya guys. Yan. Thank you, Lord. Oh my God, kinabahan ako dun guys. Ayan. Lahat talaga guys, ditong white. Oh, lahat ng white. My God. So, tingnan natin yung ginagawa ni Mr. So, yung Mr. ko kasi, yeah, I know. It's my fault kasi, di ba, tayo naman yung talaga. Yun nga sinabi ko sa inyo, as a mom, we need to look after our kids. Kahit anong busy pa natin, kailangan talaga kasi, chine-check ko naman siya guys. I asked him, how are you? But, not every hour, every minute. Yan si Mr. guys. Oh, ganda ng weather today. No other Lucas because wet. Yeah, sit down there.
Here at Big Fam, our stories are real. Here at Big Fam, family.
Ayan, papaliguan ko muna si Rusty. Tapos, after nyan,
Hello guys.
maliligo na din ako guys. Kaya yan, hindi ko na kayo sasama guys ha. Kasi maliligo na naman. No, maliligo naman tayo guys. Tingnan mo si Rusty. Rusty.
Come along with us, wherever we may be. At Big Fam, you're part of our family. Dito sa